والسماء والطارق أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام
يا بابا يقول لك بقى Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's your guy here, Pasmad, and I'm back again with another interesting video. Yeah, I know you guys like this energy. So basically, how did I get swamped by a lot of people just because of the Quran? So basically, I wanted to do something special and different. I wanted to give back to the community through the Quran, and I was thinking of different ways to achieve that goal. But while I was thinking, and I remembered Kwara State. So I don't know if you guys can remember. I actually visited Kwara State some months ago, where I went to ask people to recite the Quran. So while I was there, I noticed that there were a lot of orcas all around in the state. So Kwara State is actually a predominantly Muslim state with 80% population of Muslims. I decided to travel to Kwara State, which is 6 hours journey from where I live, Lagos State, to give back to the people through the Quran. We finally got to Kwara State. And it was time for me to meet my friend. So guys, I'm with my friend here. Introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Idris Yunus, Edward of Allah Madrasa.
MashaAllah, his name is Idris Yunus. So if you don't know him, on YouTube, his name is Online Madrasa, on Facebook Online Madrasa. So he does Quran just like me. So inshallah today, we're currently at Ilorin. I'm currently at Ilorin. So what I'm doing is that I'm going to people that, the orcas that are around Ilorin. I'm going to walk up to them and try to get them to try the Quran. So guys, it's time for us to go to the hood and give out to the people. So yeah, let's go. It wasn't an easy task as we got rejected by some people, probably because they were scared. But finally, we got our first person. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Kilo kwe.
Ismi Abdul Ahmad.
MashaAllah, Abdul Ahmad kwe. Okay, we am feko ka Quran fún wa ká gbọ́. Bismillah.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. والسماء والطارق وما أدراك ما الطارق النجم ثاقب إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق مما دافق يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب إنه على رجعه لقادر يوم تبلى السرائر والسماء ذات فما له من قوة ولا ناصر والسماء ذات الرجع والأرض ذات الصدع إنه لقول فصل.
MashaAllah, kí n bá gbé kalẹ̀ náà, kí n bá gbé kalẹ̀. Ibo ló ti á Quran ni? Ibo ló ti ta ló máa ń kọ́ Quran?
Aba Taofik.
Aba Taofik ló máa ń kọ́ Quran. Àtìgbà ló ti ń Quran àtìgbà wo?
Ó ti pẹ́ náà.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa barakatuh. Okay, kí ló kọ́ ẹ?
Idris Adiza. Idris Adiza.
Idris Adiza, MashaAllah. Okay, nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kó bá mi ṣe ni pé mo fẹ́ kó ka Quran fún mi. Ọya, ẹ kí n gbọ́ bismillah.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alif lam mim. Zalikal kitabu la rayba fihi hudan lil muttaqin allazina yu'minuna bil ghaibi wa yuqimuna as-salata wa mimma razaqnahum yunfiqun wallazina yu'minuna bima unzila ilayka wa ma unzila min qablik wa bil akhirati hum yuqinun ulaika ala hudan min rabbihim wa ulaika humul muflihun.
MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Kí ló kọ ẹ?
Abdulwaris.
Waris. Okay, àbáyé mo fẹ́ kó ka Quran fún mi. Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sabbi isma rabbikal a'la allazi khalaqa fasawwa wallazi qaddara fahada wallazi akhrajal mar'a faja'alahu ghuzan yahwa sanuqri'uka fala tansa illa man sha'a Allah innahu ya'lamu sirra wa akhfa wa nuyassiruka lil yusra fadhakkir in nafa'ati dhikra sayadhakkaru man yakhsha wa yatajannabuha al-atqa allazi yasla naral kubra thumma la yamutu fiha wa la yahya qad aflaha man tazakka wa zakara isma rabbihi fasalla.
Mashallah, hasbuk, barakallah fi. Ibo ló ti há Quran? Ibo ló ti há Quran yẹn?
Jamiyatu Nurus Salam.
Mo ṣì ń lọ lé kí ó báyìí báyìí àbí?
Dent.
Mashallah. Ṣé salamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Kí ló kọ ẹ? Kí ló kọ ẹ? Umani ló kọ ẹ. Ok, mo fẹ́ kó ka Quran fún mi ya, bismillah.
من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك ولا إن شانئك الأبتر.
Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
What's your name? Kí ló kọ ẹ?
Zainab.
Zainab ló kọ ẹ. Ok, mo fẹ́ kó bá mi ka Quran. Bismillah, kí n gbọ́ ẹ.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lila fi Quraysh, lila fi imrilata shita'i wa sayf. Fali abudu rabba asalibet. Allazi atiyamahu min ju'i wa amanahu min auf.
Mashallah. After the recitation, we had to make them happy, so we paid for all their goods. Alhamdulillah.
يسعد فؤادي كلما ذكر الحبيب ترنما ذاك الذي رب العلا صلى عليه وسلم.
I want you all to make dua for one of our brothers. He wants to remain anonymous. So he was the one that actually supported, this video. He donated a lot for this video to be possible. So I want you all to make dua for him, that Allah blesses him and Allah continues to enrich his pockets. As we were leaving the market, it got so crazy because we got swarmed again by a lot of people. And they were like, they wanted to recite the Quran. They insisted that they have to recite the Quran. So yeah, why not? We had no choice, and this was how it went. Assalamu alaikum ma.
Wa salamatullah.
Kí ló kọ yín ma?
Alege Fatima.
Okay, mashallah. Okay ma, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ka Quran fún mi ma. Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Waduha waleli sasaja. Ma wadaraka rabbuka wa ma qala. Wala la hayratu ilaka min al-ula. Wala sawfa yutika rabbuka fatarida. Allami yadlika yatima fawa. Wajadaka dawla fahada. Wajadaka hayla fahadi. Faman yatma wala taqa. Wa masaila wala tana wa mahbil mutubika fahadis.
Mashallah, kabirullah, Allahu akbar. Okay ma, David cut.
Salam rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Kí ló kọ yín?
Zainab Sulaiman.
Mashallah, ya ka Quran fún mi.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alif lam mim. Zalikal kitabu la rayba fihi hudan lil muttaqin. Allazina yu'minuna bil ghaibi wa yuqimuna as-salata wa mimma razaqnahum yunfiqun. Allazina yu'minuna bima unzila ilayka wa ma unzila min qablika wa bil akhirati hum yuqinun. Ulaika ala hudan min rabbihim wa ulaika hum muflihun. Ulaika ala
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Special thanks to Brother Idris, head boy of Online Madrasa, for making this video possible. And I want you all to go to his YouTube, subscribe to his YouTube channel. We are watching this video on Facebook. Follow his Facebook page, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my page. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Jazakumullahu khairan. And inshallah, expect what's coming next. Next video promises to be a banger. So yeah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Don't forget to be Quranly. Let's go.